club at Lebua Bangkok, the one with the sky bar from the Hangover II, is the most Instagrammable hotel in Thailand. Age 54, I booked 3 nights here. Was I intimidated? Absolutely. Was it worth 400 a night? Was the rooftop safe for my needs? And most importantly, is this luxury hotel actually built for people over 50? I am Gertrude, and this is my completely honest review. No PR package, no free stay. Just me, my suitcase, and a lot of questions. Let's talk. I got a 2-bedroom suite, not just a regular room. A 2-bedroom suite with 4 balconies. 4. And I paid a lot less than you think. I ventured through the luxurious lobby area. Look at how grand it looks. Classic. The rich wood and gold accent and marble everywhere. Wow. Mini lobster rolls. I had maybe 6, 7. I lost count. And the view, look at that, guys. Look at that. You're sitting there, champagne in hand, watching the sun go down over the Chao Phraya for free. Well, included. You know what I mean? This alone, if you were paying for cocktails and canapés at a rooftop bar in Bangkok, you'd spend at least $40, $50 per person easily. The lounge basically pays for part of your room rent. I did the math, guys. I did the math. So yes, the famous Hangovertini, the drink they literally made for the movie, is expensive. But here's what most people don't realize. You don't have to order that. Now, before I show you the suite, if you're loving this, don't forget to subscribe. Your support means everything. Good afternoon, everybody. In Bangkok, Thailand. It's so pretty and beautiful. So let me show you. Let me tell you why this hotel is right for retirees. Number 1, there's an elevator to everything. The sky bar, the dome, restaurant, rooms, no stairs between icons. Number 2, you get airport limo and a butler. That removes Bangkok transit stress. And you don't have to do anything, no cook. Number 3, Chao Phraya River views. For slow travel, go of your balcony. You see everything. And number 4, is walkable distance to Icon Siam. Icon Siam Mall is the best, and you can take a ferry or a taxi for easy day trips. Number 5, the price is right. You get a full house suite, including Tower Club access. And let me tell you, this is where the value kicks in. You get breakfast, but the real magic, guys. And from this entrance, you can see the house space, so airy and beautiful. Kitchen. And that's the main master bedroom. Master bedroom. Master bathroom. Kitchen. Entrance everywhere. Second bedroom. And the bathroom in the second bedroom. Yeah, so it's divided into like 3 sections. This is like the TV theater room with nice, bold windows. There's a bold window right here with the view of Bangkok, Thailand. And Chao Phraya River, and the center point, Rang, right below that building here. I told me it's worth going there and checking it out. And right across from the main road right there, they have like a night market. And this is the Chao Phraya River. And the city, the tall building right here, that's the Four Seasons Hotel. Yeah, this area is surrounded by hotels and nice offices and everything you can think of. And that's one of the main road, the road that crosses the bridge to Icon Siam. The mall that's really good. I'll show you. And so from this end, that's the whole living space. Chilling flex room, theater room, you can call it, with a sectional, nice sectional, clothed but beautiful, and TV over here. And there's another bold window right here to the left with the view as well. That's the view. And it's like almost 3 p.m. in the afternoon that people are already doing afternoon cruises on Chao Phraya River. And the other side, that's Icon Siam right there, the white building right there. It's a nice, beautiful mall with everything you can think of. Local business, a lot of local businesses with food and clothes and jewelry. And right here across from this hotel is the Peninsula Hotel right here. And these are my balconies right here. I got 3 on this side and I have 1 in the bedroom. So this is the space with this nice sectional. Beautiful. When I move over to the middle of this area, it's a nice table here with a nice lamp and another sitting area right here. It's nice, same style of sofas, but not sectional. Same cloth. And I got my balcony. The first balcony in the living space. Nice balcony. Beautiful. Here's the office area. If you're here, you experience this, you do all your work here. If you're working from home, this is where you'll be working. And that's the living spaces right here. From the demarcation of the carpets, living space over there. It's a nice, airy, beautiful space with lots of seating. It's the dining area right here that extends from the little office. And this one is its own balcony as well, with the view as well. So at night or when it's not too hot, I go out there and just watch people watch. Watching people going on cruises and having dinner at Chao Phraya River. All right. So that's balcony number 2. All right. And this is how it looks like on this side, from the dining area to the kitchen, and from the dining area to the whole living space, including the dining area. This is how it looks like. Alright, so I'll show you the kitchen. Granite countertops, nice sink. Anyway, and the kitchen is a lot of cabinet spaces, a lot. And that's the second bedroom here. 2 nice beds, very comfortable. The pillows are so comfortable. Look, these are the most comfortable pillows I've ever had. Exclusive for your selection. These are pillows. Let me read. I like this. This is beautiful. All right, that's the second bedroom. So you can live here with your family. And this is the third balcony from this bedroom. Yep, with the view as well. Nice, beautiful balcony. Yep. All right. That's bedroom number 2. This is the bathroom, the toilets, commode, they call it, and then stand-up shower, and then the baskets for the towels, and all this, all that, and water. There's water everywhere, and they use Balmain Perry body lotion, and the same for gel, shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner. Now, nice rain shower. And the towels, as you can see, they're clean with the label of the hotel. Okay, so, and they have a lot of sockets everywhere and mirrors everywhere. Okay, so I'm gonna take you to the master bedroom. It's a mirror, whatever you call it, and a little stool over here in the middle, and then another closet right here with the ironing board. Look at all this space, guys. All this space. Nice TV, where you can put your jackets and coats. And you have another balcony as well from the master's bedroom. So that's balcony number 4. What more can you ask for, guys? You have a balcony on both bedrooms, both living rooms, living spaces, the dining area. Tell me what you think, guys. This is what you'll be experiencing if you come here to Bangkok. Oh yeah, I cannot forget this. I can show you the whole thing together. So you can see everything together. Nice mirror with all the supplies. Beautiful big mirror and nice nook here with the towels and the lotion and water and scale, basket for towels and a nice tub here. And the walls are tile. All these are towels everywhere. The floors are tile. Look at that, towels. And the shower is huge. It's a stand-up shower. I've been using this shower, I've been enjoying this shower. Like I don't want to come out and the same product as well. Yeah, I'm in the shower. Tells you how big it is. That's the whole bathroom master. Towels everywhere. It's a swimming pool downstairs on the M level. It's not huge, but it's beautiful. There's a gym and a spa. But honestly, with 4 balconies and a lounge with free cocktails, I barely left the suite. In the Tower Club. All right, let's talk numbers. How much did I pay? This suite, the Tower Club 2-bedroom suite, normally goes for about $800 to $1,000 a night. But I found a deal, a special offer, and I paid well under $400. Under $400 for 2 bedrooms, 4 balconies, Tower Club access. With free breakfast, free evening cocktails, Bulgari toiletries, sky bar priority access, split between 2 couples or 2 friends traveling together. That's $200 or less than $200 per room. $200 in Bangkok for 5-star luxury. What do you all think? What do you think? Leave a comment. Is Lebua perfect? No. It's not new, but the service is warm, the views are unbeatable, and the value, guys, when you find the right deal, it's incredible. I'm so happy. God is great. So friends, tell me, would you stay and pay $400 for the suite at Lebua? Yeah, guys, tell me what you think about this place, about this hotel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. It helps me bring you more honest reviews from around the world. And right, let's keep going.